Hi travelers, in this episode we'll take you to Sera Ella Waterfall.
Visiting Sera Ell is 17 kilometers trek from Riverston, which may not seem like a lot, but you drive on narrow mountain roads in a frequently changing climate. As you can see, it's so beautiful. This is 15 meters in height, and the best time to see its full flow is from November to March.
One of the interesting features of this fall is the cave behind the fall, and you can walk into the cave and stand behind the crumbling wall.
Always be careful to maintain safety, footing, and the balance when taking photos.
And please make sure you take everything you bring except your footprints.
Adventures are meant to be tough, but with that effort and the focus comes incredible rewards.
Thanks for being part of Travelers. Hit the subscribe button if you are not already a part of it. Thank you.
Travelers, subscribe us for more videos.